Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of getting residency or citizenship by investment, but don't have the funds yourself, there's good news. Some countries actually allow third-party funded investment. That means a family member, friend, or investor can fund your application, and you can still qualify for that golden visa, residency, or even a second passport. In this video, I'll walk you through the best countries that accept third-party funded investment, how it works, what the conditions are, and key tips to avoid rejection. Let's get into it. Number 1. What is third-party funded investment? Let's break it down. A third-party funded investment means that someone else provides the money for your residency or citizenship application. This could be a spouse or parent, a business partner, a donor, or investor, a family trust as long as you can prove the funds are legally obtained and the source is well documented. Some countries will accept this setup. You still become the legal applicant, but the money does not have to come from your own bank account. Number 2. Best countries that accept third-party funded investment. There are the top countries that openly allow or have a flexible approach to third-party funded investment applications. 1. Portugal Golden Visa Investment Options. 500,000 euros in investment funds, 250,000 euros in arts, cultural projects, 280,000 euros plus in real estate. Rural zones. Portugal accepts third-party funding as long as the relationship is clearly documented, the source of funds is declared, and legal. You remain the beneficial owner of the investment. Pro tip: make sure the money trail is clean. Transfers from relatives or business partners must be transparent. 2. Greece Golden Visa Minimum Investment. 250,000 euros in real estate increased to 500,000 euros in some areas. Greece allows third-party funding if the investor you is listed as the beer. The funding party is disclosed. The source of funds is verified. Lawyers in Greece often manage this via notarized declarations and bank records. 3. Turkey Citizenship by Investment Minimum Investment. $400,000 real estate, $500,000 bank deposit, or capital investment. Turkey has a very flexible policy. They don't require the money to be yours personally. Family members can fund the investment. Multiple parties can pool funds. The passport is still issued in your name. Very attractive for family-sponsored citizenship seekers. 4. Antigua and Barbuda CBI program options. $100,000 donation to UNDF, $200,000 real estate, $150,000 for University of West Indies fund for large families. Antigua allows third-party or sponsored payments, especially for family-based applications. Just ensure the funding source is legal, the transfer is documented, a declaration letter is signed by the funder. You'll still go through due diligence checks. 5. Grenada Citizenship by Investment Minimum. $150,000 donation to $120,000 real estate. Grenada allows third-party funding, very common for business partners or parents to sponsor. Make sure the source of wealth documents are rock solid. Bonus: Grenadian citizens can apply for a US E2 investor visa later. 6. St. Vincent and the Grenadines upcoming CBI program expected to launch soon. Based on other Caribbean programs, it's likely they'll allow third-party funds, family or corporate sponsorship. Stay tuned. 7. Malta Permanent Residency Program. MPRP investment required. 100,000 euros, 150,000 euros donation plus real estate or lease. Malta allows third-party financing under certain conditions. Clear ownership of investment relationship. 2. Funder documented due diligence is strict, so be transparent. It's more rigid than Caribbean options, but still possible. 8. Vanuatu Citizenship by Donation Minimum. $130,000 donation. Single applicant. Vanuatu allows a nominated party to fund the donation, especially for dependent family members. It's a fast-track program with approval in as little as 30 days. 9. Dominica Citizenship by Investment Minimum. $100,000 donation or $200,000 real estate. Third-party funding is accepted if the funding source is traceable. You provide proof of relationship. The government is satisfied with your documentation. You can even apply as a single applicant and get your spouse, Child funded separately later. Number 3. What you need to show documentation to get approved. You'll need to provide 1. Source of funds letter from the funder, stating why and how they're supporting you. 2. Proof of relationship, birth certificate, marriage certificate, business registration, etc. 3. Legal documentation, affidavits, donation letters, bank transfers. 4. KYC and due diligence, identity checks for both you and the funder. All money must go through bank transfers from a reputable source. Number 4. Common mistakes to avoid hiding the funder's identity using unverifiable or caste-based sources. Ignoring KYC requirements, assuming all programs allow it. They don't. Always work with licensed immigration lawyers or agents. Number 5. Who is this ideal for? Young entrepreneurs with rich parents or uncles, families funding one child, second passport, business owners with silent investors, Nigerians, Indians, Lebanese, and Africans building family legacy. So there you have it. If you're serious about residency or citizenship by investment, but don't want to use your own money, these countries offer a legal, structured way to get funded by someone you trust. Just remember, be transparent, use professionals, document everything. Let me know in the comments which country you're considering. And if you want a guide on how to find sponsors or investors, I'll make a full video on that too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Catch you in the next one.